Wagwan Onyala from Campus Curiosity TV. I'm here with...
Yeah.
Yeah, doing which course?
I'm doing Bachelor in Commerce, Finance Option.
What inspired you to do that course?
Mambo ya dunia tu.
Some motivation to the freshers that are coming, some motivation to them.
Study hard, manze, mkuje msome cooperative.
Yeah. Do you believe in campus love, like campus dating?
I don't believe in campus dating. I believe in campus dating, not in campus love.
Okay, so like una date?
As I
Well.
How date?
this date.
But uko na side chick like sneaky link hivi.
Wezi kosa ni wengi.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all. At all. I've said.
Kama wangapi?
Well, lazima nitaje wao.
But kachonjo. Kachonjo kuna watu wanataka kukumaliza.
It's okay, yeah. Thank you for your time. Shukran manze.
Wazi.